you watch where you're going next time, you bonehead.
Let me start by saying thank you very much for giving up part of your weekend. We just want to make sure we can answer any and all of your questions. We want you all to be comfortable with what we're proposing.
And speaking of which, it explains the details of the buyout. Now, the financial information you're probably most interested in is on page 4.
Oh, wow. $4 million. That's pretty comfortable.
I'm comfortable.
Very.
You comfortable, Gino?
Actually, I have some questions.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I was wondering, are we gonna have to cut back on our staff?
Yes, unfortunately, we're going to have to make some staff cuts.
Bread? No, thank you. No, thank you.
Yeah, you offered me some bread, and I don't want any thanks.
Oh, so you have no problem with minor staff cuts?
Hey, you gonna share that bread or what? You just said you didn't want it. You did not.
What is this, some kind of joke?
You're tripping.
Absolutely not.
Bagel chips! Back off or you'll find your nuts in a tree! Oh, where's the love? Oh, where's the love?
So, John, you have a problem with that or not? John?
Watch your head, I'm flying here!
Okay, that's about enough meeting for me. I gotta get going. This was a great meeting and very productive, wonderful meeting. I'm looking forward to see you guys on Monday. I'll talk to you later. Excuse me. Johnny's been on call all night, Mr. Calloway. He's very excited.
You gotta move it. I said, let's go. You can't park here. Let's move it.
Oh, jeez. Thanks. Okay, I'm moving it. Thank you. It's ridiculous.
Rock steady, baby. That's what I feel now. Let's go the song exactly what it is. Stepping, move your hips with a feeling from side to side.
Boy, we got some fresh air here.
Yeah, you know, that's the thing about the city. You don't realize it.
Whoa! Oh, I should have put on my seatbelt. Easy now, easy now. Slow your butt down. Whoa! Jeez Louise, that didn't seem too safe. Whoa, my back hurt.
This is a dream. I'm dreaming right now.
Whoa, hold it, stop. You're talking, and I understand you.
I see those guys in my dorm told me that stuff wouldn't affect me. Now, 15 years later, this shit's not happening to me.
Okay, let's chill. Let's just chill.
I'm not gonna chill. You can chill.
What are you doing? Switching sides?
All right, you. Come on.
Hey, I can't drive.
Out. Let's go.
Need some help?
Oh, no, we're fine. I'm just stretching my legs a little here.
Ask her if she's got any lettuce.
Shut your mouth. Shut your little furry mouth right now.
You sure you're okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine.
That's good.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Now what? Hey,
You're a monster!
hey, what are you doing?
Leave me alone!
Hey, what are you, nuts? Hey, I'm Rose.
You stay away, I'll kill you!
Don't leave me out here. It's hot. Hey, what kind of doc are you? Hey, doc, this is Prune the animal. Come on, I'm your friend. I'm your buddy. Reverse. That's it. Back up. Hey, don't run over the cage now. Ooh, man, you scared the crap out of me, see? There it is.
Shut up! You shut up right now. If you say one more word, one more, I'm gonna leave you here in the middle of the road, understand?
Okay. Oh, stop, slow down.
Shut up! I can hear you up there, shut up!
Come on, Doc, I'm getting whiskey whipped up here.
One more word and I'm gonna pull over and let you out the car. I'll let you out your cage and leave you in the wild with the real animals. See how much talk you do when a couple of real squirrels are kicking you in your ass.
Fine, then I'll just sing. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. You know it is.
Turn
The
this
skinny
radio.
pig is blowing in the wind.
I can't hear you.
Come on, let me in the car. Hey, why they call me guinea pig anyway? I'm not Italian.